No, it's all good. We're recording. Let's see what's happening in 8. Even open this up. Bare minimum. I like the theme, by the way. My PC updated, or my VS Code
Hmm?
updated. Something updated, but then my VS Code looks nice.
Hmm.
It kind of looks like you see the interface for Apple.
Yeah.
It's sort of it's giving, especially the top
Oh yeah.
area. Yeah. Node main.
Yes.
Okay. This is the bare minimum. Let's see.
Yeah. This is literally nothing.
Hello, universe. What's in the? Oh yeah. What's in the terminal? This thing. Um. Okay. We're starting an Express app
Okay.
right there, and then the only thing we have is a home page. The only thing it will return is parameters,
Hmm.
metadata, but then there's no body, so there's no body metadata at all. And then this is
Hmm.
the URL link, which is the home itself. And then, well, there's no query, but it's an array. What do they call an array again in JS? It has a name.
I think
Object. Yeah.
it's still an array though, because
Yeah.
they behave similarly. It says an
Yeah.
object behaves similar to an index array.
Bruh, an index. There's so many terms within programming, bruh.
Hmm.
But so long as it makes sense. Where was I?
Yeah.
There's a query. Okay, this is the query, and then we send hello universe, which is this thing, to the front end. That is the response. And then this was, what's this thing called again? Hey chief, I'm forgetting. But
I can't remember the name, but like just it listens on the port. When
it,
the server starts on that specific port,
no,
it just it.
I mean like this structure. You remember sometimes you run a certain code, and then
Hmm?
afterwards you state something afterwards. Like it's a concurrency type of thing in JavaScript.
No, I can't remember.
When you run a certain code, and then if yes you do this, if no you return this, and then maybe there's a
Yeah.
default. I forgot what it's called,
Yeah.
but yeah, it's that
No,
thing.
I mean, it sounds close to a case statement, a switch statement.
Yeah, but
So, do you mean a ternary statement? Like if
uh
this,
listen. We're going. Yeah, okay. We're going to find it, and I think I know where we're going to find it. Async. Yes. Callbacks,
okay,
async, promises, async await, this thing. That is the structure. So long as the code works, though, I guess.
yeah.
But
But
yeah,
this is like a, this isn't, what
what?
type of this is this?
I think it's an async await.
I don't know. It's not really. Maybe yeah, that makes sense. The
Yeah,
listen,
because you
because
you
it's
ru-
because when it gets to, well, not really even, because it's like, well, maybe I don't know, synchronous, because it waits for
yes.
something on the port to trigger it, and then it responds.
Yes. So
Okay,
this
good.
that one like has like one return. This one is an if or an else, an
Mm-hmm.
error, a value, but it's still the same fundamental.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, it's this one. You see this one? It runs something, and then
Mm-hmm.
afterwards it returns or runs the secondary command.
Well, look, no, wait is essentially it's waiting for a return from something. So if you run something through an API, you usually have an await.
Yes.
And like
Yes.
asynchronous means that it runs at any time. It
Yes.
can be
Yes.
triggered at any time.
So,
Okay.
man, we keep learning. We keep learning and keep forgetting and relearning.
Mm.
But it's the life we chose. We enjoy it nonetheless, even if it's torture. But it's fine. What's
You are
happening?
recording, right?
Yeah. I guess we went on a tangent during the
Mm.
recording, but Chief, sometimes
That's
it's
fine.
good to remind yourselves because we genuinely do forget, and Arnold actually wants to see when we struggle here and there. So
Mm.
sometimes that's why you'll see me doing something that I'm not quite sure will work, or sometimes I forget something and I test it out and so forth.
Mm.
So if anything goes wrong, Chief will learn in the process, so long as it doesn't take too much time.
Mm.
Let me see what this one has to offer before I even. Okay, cannot get.
Just because there's nothing in the. Because it gets the. Yeah, if you look at the route, it's
Yeah.
expecting to see that.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Because you can't
It's,
run a post request in the URL. Yeah.
this is why I need Postman. I should have. Yeah, I should have
My
done.
Postman signed me out for some reason. Like I can't use it.
Why?
I don't know.
Uh
Then I sign in again. It like
huh.
takes me to the other page. I sign in,
Uh huh.
and then it just doesn't do anything. So I had to like uninstall it and reinstall it again.
I was about to say that. I was about to say
Mm.
that.
Now it's working at least, but it was like a pain in the ass.
The life we chose.
Mm.
It's bittersweet, but I wouldn't change it at all. Oh man, why would you do such a thing to me? Yes, there we go. You could
Yeah.
use fish table. Oh, nah. Or just gibberish.
Mm.
Let us make it fail and see what happens. Okay, okay. So the only thing it's expecting is this thing over here because we're exporting the controller over here, and whatever parameter you give us, we will return. We will return it. Oh yeah, it's also on the front end as well. I mean the console, the terminal, right here. I forgot about that one. It's nothing we haven't done before outside
Mm.
of the
It's all very
parameter.
similar.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
basically just a controller that's new. Everything else is we've seen like before, so you don't have to go over it again.
We're just doing it via Express. That's it.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Um, where is the recording? Where do I end? There you